Truffles. Truffles are exotic, prized, and coveted, synonymous with luxury and fine dining, but it's the very few, and in the know who can answer the question, what is a truffle? A truffle is, in the simplest terms, a fungus or mushroom of the genus tuber. It grows underground, typically near or right beneath the roots of trees, particularly oak tree, beech, birch, poplars and pine trees. They form a symbiotic relationship, meaning the tree and the truffles both get something out of the relationship, sugars and nutrients. Truffles have been found in Europe, Asia, North Africa, and North America, but only 3 species are commercially important. They live in close mycorrhizal association with the roots of specific trees. Their fruiting bodies grow underground. Truffles are hunted with specially trained dogs, which have supplanted the truffle pigs of yore. One of the reasons being that pigs love their truffles a bit too much, and tend to eat them before they can be grabbed. Because the mushrooms grow so deep in the ground, almost a foot sometimes, they're incredibly hard to find, and it's only thanks to the very sensitive noses of these animals that they're found at all. Truffles tend to grow always in the same spots, which are fiercely guarded by the truffle hunters. Italy and France are our favorite countries for enjoying the best truffle hunting experiences. Black truffles, the more common variety, currently cost about $95 per ounce, while white truffles top the charts at $168 per ounce. But the much more reasonably priced truffle butter is pretty delicious too. Hope you understand what is truffle all about. Thank you for watching.